Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Hi Winston. I just got a bunch of new organizational things. So today I'm going to be reorganizing all of my makeup. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you where I'm at. So this is my setup as it stands. Some of it I'm going to leave it alone or maybe change my mind after. But I have these two guys that I keep all of my pencil things and liquid lips in. These are Pringles cans that I painted, by the way. They're kind of getting worn down. And this is just from the dollar store. I've got things kind of sorted randomly in here all over the place. This is like random junk that I don't know where to put. Got all my palettes kind of stuffed in here. This baby, this is where my, oh god, this is my kit from school. So this is my big palette. This thing I'm not doing anything with today because what I want to do is get a magnetic palette and depot the shadows that I actually use from this thing and put them in that. I've already cleared everything out of the bottom drawer in this and it's kind of falling apart. So I kind of want to get rid of this, but I need to get a palette first. So this, I'm like, look at that. It's been beaten to hell. At the moment, I'm keeping my brushes in these mason jars that I got from Giant Tiger. I've got small brushes in here and big brushes in here. In this jar, this is where I keep my beauty sponges and beauty blenders. I just keep them in fancy little eggs to keep them clean. So I'm going to take basically everything from here on off and sort it out, and we're going to put it in my new setup. So first things first, I've got this cute little white plastic basket from the dollar store. This I'm going to be putting all my palettes in. We've got the Crown Nova palette, the Bella Pierre Nudes palette, the Burgundy bar, my two Huda mini palettes. Winston, what are you doing? Pardon the dog. And my LA Colors matte and shiny palette. So that's all just going to kind of sit in there. This is obviously going to fill up a little more as my collection grows, which is why I wanted the basket. Next, I've got this part to my acrylic set. I'm going to start by getting the bullet lipsticks in here. I think my chapsticks I'm going to throw in behind here. Got this Hershey's Kisses chocolate one, which I'm just going to put right here. My sharpener, my pot eyeliner, got the little makeup remover, my NYX glitter in here. Just kind of going to be the little random spot for things. Excuse me, sir. I'm going to put my lip liners in here, my eyeliners. I kind of just keep those all in the same place because I don't really care if they're mixed up together or not. Okay, so now I got these larger drawers. And I think I'm going to put my liquid lipsticks in there. The next drawer, I'm going to put single eyeshadows in here. Okay, so this guy is going to go in my random stuff. I'm going to put highlighters. Next, we've got the little drawers. Obviously, I don't have enough stuff at the moment to fill all of these things, but this is just starting out what I got. I'm going to put my lip glosses, blush, my face products. I'm just going to put the little concealer-y things go in here. So back to these things. I'm going to take my mascaras and plop these guys in here because that makes sense. And then my foundation that I am not currently wearing, I'm going to put in there also. Lastly, I do want to, this is what I'm currently keeping my brushes in. And these are just super heavy and bulky and in the way, so I kind of just want to smush all my brushes together. So I picked these up from the dollar store, and I thought these were super cute. I'm going to get my brushes smushed into these. So we've got the big ones all nice and snug in there. That's all for actually physically putting things in things. All right, so for the moment, well, I've still got this bulky fucker. This is basically the gist of it. So we've got, oh, I picked this up at the dollar store too because I thought it was like, ignore the office mess I've got going on over there, but I thought this was the cutest thing ever. It's covered in glitter and it says, bright like glitter and bubbly like champagne. The palette basket. I love this. I can see them all and they're so accessible. And then we've got the stuff we just organized. My brushes. I've got my little jar of Easter eggs and my pretty little purse with that stuff and this fucking thing. So that's it. That's all. Thanks for coming to hang out with me while I did all this. Okay, bye guys.